guys enjoying the tractor ride? How was the tractor ride, Luna? She's having so much fun. Right, Mama?
You should give her a voice. Yeah.
She's having so much fun. I'm like talking for her. She's like, okay, it's time to get off. You want to get off or you want to stay? You want to go again? She's like, no, don't put me to go again. You don't want to go again? Okay. Good girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look at Rex's face.
I don't know.
Having so much fun on the tractor ride. We're on the tractor. Yeah, the tractor. Luna. Yeah. Super. Hey guys, welcome back to another banging video. So I am currently on my way to the pumpkin patch. I'm so excited. I'm already driving because if y'all know me, one thing about me, I usually run late. So I'm already driving, but anyways, I'm super excited. I'm gonna be taking my dog Luna to the pumpkin patch today, and we're gonna get straight to it. Honestly, I don't know what to expect. I know I'm missing an earring. I have it on this side. I don't have it on this other side because the dog knocked it out by accident, so I gotta fix that. But yeah, I don't know what to expect. I brought a little jacket in case it gets cold. I have a scarf. I brought water. I have all the essentials packed up that I brought her. Luna's my husky. She's so excited. And yeah, I'll show you guys everything that I got her. I'll tell you guys, you know, how it goes as I get there. But yeah, right now we're on the way and I'm so like, not only am I excited, but my baby Luna is excited. She is my 4-year-old husky, and even though she's 4, she definitely acts like a 1-year-old. But it's okay because it's very cute. We're both very excited. I'm going to be taking her today to her first pumpkin patch ever. And I'm just so excited that I'm going to be able to vlog this with you guys and just keep it for the memories. The memories are everything. Luna to me is such a big and important part of my life. She's my baby. She's my daughter. I do not treat her like a dog. I treat her like my kid. And so I'm very much excited for her first day of the pumpkin patch. I got her you know, a new harness, a new leash. I packed my fanny pack with all her necessities, which I will show you guys in a few clips. But let's go ahead and get into today, because hello. I felt like such a mom packing her stuff because in the fanny pack, of course, I had to make it glam because I had to, you know what I'm saying, I had to go with my outfit, but everything in it was directly for her. I had to bring her water, her treats, her poop bags, like everything. But anyways, we're going to be going to Pinto's farm today. I usually don't do vlogs, but I'm going to try this out. It might be a little bit challenging because between the dog, the vlogging, and just getting things done, you know, it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but I'm here for it and I'm so excited. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. Hi.
I'm gonna take it out so they don't get tangled in it.
Okay.
There you go. You're so cute. Look at you.
You're such a good girl.
Okay.
All right,
I'm
girls.
gonna close it and see.
Yeah. All right, baby. Aww, I'm vlogging all this for YouTube. I hope you don't mind.
No, of course not.
Okay. You gotta stay in there, okay?
No te bajes, no te bajes. Yeah.
So we were on our way here to the pumpkin patch. Luna was over it. She does not like sitting in the back. She was looking out the window, but of course we couldn't have it down. And here's her best friend, Macy. She was kind of confused what was going on because I had to calm Luna down. I kept having to tell her to sit.
Are you excited?
Over here, I was just asking her if she was super excited,
guys.
And I was really happy. Finally, we got to Pinto's farm, and this was the entrance. It was so cute. They had the little food truck with the milkshakes. And here's Luna just walking in, doing her thing, sniffing everything. Every tree that she had never smelled before, she felt that she had to do that today. And she did. Finally, we got to the tickets and I had to purchase them. They were so sweet. They gave you like a little baggie. I'll try to show you guys with like some treats in it for the dogs. It was definitely a dog friendly weekend. So I'm so happy I brought Luna. We met with one of her besties. This is Rex. Oh my gosh. She's saying hi to her bestie Rex and to his parents. Then as we started walking in, immediately we saw all the photo props, all the pumpkins, took lots of pictures of the dogs, and we definitely did a few photo shoots. So make sure to check out my Instagram to see all of them. Here I took a picture of Luna's bestie Rex with his family, and that photo came out just so adorable. So it was really a nice spot for all the photos. Here Luna was in line checking out all the scary pumpkins because they looked a little bit different than the normal ones, and it was adorable. Finally, it was time to eat lunch, and here she was sitting next to me. She was probably wondering where her lunch was, but I had just fed her before we got to the farm, and I got her lots of treats. So she and me were just like bonding there because we really took this as like a rest break while everybody else ate. We didn't eat too much. Luna's not a big eater, and I wasn't hungry. That's her little teeth. I like to call them teeth, not teeth, because they're so cute and little. Look at her nose. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Tell me she doesn't have the cutest nose and teeth and eyes. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Finally, we got to the tractor ride, and this was so funny for us because Luna was really ready. Like, she was ready to get on that tractor. So obviously we read all the rules. We were the next ones up. We didn't make it into the tractor right away. We had to wait like 5 minutes. But, you know, we were waiting patiently, and Luna was super excited. Finally, the tractor came around, and I was getting ready to go in with Luna. I think Luna was like, what's going on? But she was definitely ready. So we were very excited. Look at her just trying to walk in, and the lady hadn't even opened the little like line yet. That little, whatever you call that, red and yellow thing. But Luna was ready. She was like, let me in. Here Luna was still waiting to be let in as people were coming off, and she was the first one in line with her ears up like, yes, I'm here and I've been waiting patiently. When are you gonna let me on? She's gonna let you on right now. So as the lady opened that, we were able to then head over onto the tractor, and I wasn't sure how this was going to happen, like, you know, if Luna was gonna like it or not, but surprisingly she did better than expected. So here she is walking to the tractor. She didn't want to get on. Y'all see that? She didn't really want to get onto that thing because she thought her paws would get stuck. So she jumped on and she picked her seat. She wanted at the very end so she can see everything out the tractor. So here I am just bonding with her because that's my baby, and yeah, she looks so cute, and we were just really bonding on this tractor ride. Look how happy she is. Oh, she was just so happy. She's such a good girl. And all her other fur friends were on the tractor as well, so she was making sure to say hi to everybody.
Luna's enjoying the tractor ride? How was the tractor ride, Luna? She's having so much fun. Right, Mama?
You should give her a voice. Yeah.
She's having so much fun. I'm like talking for her. She's like, okay, it's time to get off. You want to get off or you want to stay? You want to go again? She's like, no, don't put me to go again. You don't want to go again? Okay. Good girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look at Rex's face. So we're at the pumpkin patch. Luna's having so much fun.
You're thinking about it in the future?
So this part was so funny. We ended up going to see the little animals that were there, and not on purpose. We were literally in the corn maze and we saw this, and that turtle was just not happy with the dogs. Like, it did not like the dogs. It wanted to snap at the dogs, and we got to pull them away. Anyways, they had a little racetrack, which was so cute, but I wasn't able to get on because I had to stay with my little baby. Here was more areas where you could take photos. So cute. Alright guys, so that concludes today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had such a good time. Definitely, if you come here, you need to come with comfortable shoes because it's a lot of walking. I was so sad I didn't get to try the pumpkin ice cream, like, you know, the little pumpkin with the ice cream.
swirl thing at the top. I really was looking forward to that, and I didn't eat either, that's why I didn't show you guys the food, but it was super aesthetic, lots of things to do, definitely worth it. And I'll be here back soon, like whether it's for the holiday one, the Christmas one, and I'll probably bring her or go with friends, because honestly it's so diverse. Like you can come with anyone, and just there's a little bit of everything. So I really enjoyed my time. Shout out to Pinto's Farm. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.